Hello dear students, we are going to learn a topic today, RNA, under chapter Molecular Basis of Inheritance of class 12. RNA. The full name of RNA is ribonucleotides. It is a ribonucleotide. It is also a type of nucleic acid as like DNA. Ribonucleotide chain, or it is RNA. It is also a type of nucleic acid. Some physical and chemical differences found between DNA and RNA, and question is asked which one is a more ancient. Students, if you focus the chemical evolution, then you can then you can say that the first genetic material of earth was RNA, because it is a single stranded. They form by union of nucleotides, and how nucleotide form you have already learned in the class 10th of Stanley and Miller experiment, but you have also learned in class 12, but not this year because this part chapter 7 is removed about evolution. Now but you have already learned in class 10th about Stanley and Miller experiment. Okay, now the ribonucleotide chain, especially it is called nucleic acid. It is a single stranded DNA. Okay, and their chemical difference between DNA and RNA, you know that the chemically the DNA having pentose sugar, especially ribose sugar, but DNA having deoxyribose sugar. In RNA, thymine is absent, but uracil is found. Okay, but in DNA only thymine are found, not uracil. The other chemical difference that observe in the in case of RNA is unlike DNA is a double stranded, RNA is a single stranded. DNA having some physical feature about the distance between per base pair, diameter of DNA, coiling, they are monomeric or dimeric, especially A form, B form of DNA or Z form of DNA. Especially form of DNA we have already learned in this class, previous classes about the A, B, C, D, E and Z form of DNA. But in RNA, one more differences you have to count here is type of RNA. Especially RNA are of two types. RNA are of two types. First is a genetic RNA. First is a genetic RNA. Those organisms where only RNA is found. Those organisms where only RNA found. In that case, no DNA is present. Where the RNA is act as a genetic material. Okay. Which one RNA will be the genetic material? Where RNA, only RNA is found. Okay, this is known as genetic material, genetic RNA. The genetic RNA you have already learned at the time of explanation of experimental what experiment given to prove the DNA is or RNA is a genetic material. One of the famous experiment that performed by H. Frankel Conrad and Conrad. This Conrad experiment greatly revealed that the RNA is a genetic material. Greatly revealed that the RNA is greatly explained that the RNA is genetic material. RNA is genetic material. Okay. What is why RNA is a genetic material? Because where in those organisms only RNA is found. What type of organism? Especially some viruses where the RNA found as a genetic material, and here no DNA is found due to absence of DNA. The RNA in that case, in virus case, act as a genetic material. As Frankel Prove the experiment by taking two type of virus. First is called TMB and second is called HRV. TMB is called tobacco mosaic virus and HRV is called Halm-Reibgros virus. They mutually exchange the genetic material of both the viruses and observe which one is going to cause disease. This was the experiment of H. Frankel Conrad. Okay, so this one is a genetic RNA. It is found only those cases where only RNA is found, not DNA. Okay, but in those organisms where the genetic material found as DNA, as genetic material found as DNA, this is called non-genetic RNA. And non-genetic RNA found basically in eukaryote as well as some in prokaryote. Eukaryote as well as in prokaryote, some prokaryotes. Now students, the non-genetic RNA further classified into the three categories. mRNA is also called messenger RNA. Second is a tRNA. Is called transfer RNA. And third one is a rRNA. It is also called ribosomal RNA. It is also called ribosomal RNA. Especially students, these three type of RNA that are found in case of eukaryotes, which directly involve in the many functions of the body physiology, especially growth and development of the body and the formation of proteins basically. These three type of RNA, this all type of RNA is called non-genetic, means this is not control the genetic character, but it is a very important part of RNA which they are not control the character, but they are help to the formation of character controlling parts, especially the RNA. Now the non-genetic RNA is of three types. It does not carry any genetic information. It just only help this non-genetic RNA only help in the formation of and synthesis of proteins. Now the type of RNA is completed. Now the first heading is here students, we are not going to learn about the genetic nature of RNA. We are not going to learn about the genetic nature of RNA, because this is you can learn this topic in the viruses. How viruses, their main genetic material act as a RNA act as a genetic material in case of viruses. Now mRNA is called messenger RNA. Why this is known as messenger RNA? Because the RNA, it is synthesized from the nucleus. It is synthesized inside the nucleus and with the help of nuclear pore. Suppose this is a cell, okay, and this is a nucleus. Nucleus have numerous pore, you know everyone. This suppose this is a DNA, and if DNA going to perform work, okay, then it synthesize mRNA, and mRNA comes outside into the cytoplasm, okay, comes out into the cytoplasm, mRNA. Now this mRNA further joined with the ribosomes. Suppose this is a RNA that joined with the ribosomes. Only this is the expression of DNA. Express kiya, DNA is a release of mRNA which having same genotypes. that control for a particular characters. Then this mRNA joined, and now this mRNA joined with the one by one amino acid repeatedly, and within minutes this process is completed, and due to completion end product is formed. This end product will be of around end product are formed present in the form of proteins. It is a complete end product, especially the mRNA help in the formation of end product, that is in the form of protein. Okay, then it is not directly involved in synthesis, but indirectly they help in the synthesis of protein. We cannot ignore the function of mRNA. Now students, now the messenger RNA are short DNA strand. It is a short, second largest RNA, short DNA strand. It is a single strand that is long, discovered by F. Jacob and J. Monod. F. Jacob and J. Monod. Okay, these two scientists are Nobel laureate, F. Jacob and J. Monod. Its account the total cellular RNA is 3 to 5% of the total RNA. Of the total RNA is about 3 to 5%. Okay. Now, three to 5% of total RNA. Its length is about 900 to 1500 base pair. This RNA having ordinary length of 900 to 1500 base pair. If we prepare a diagram, suppose this is a diagram, okay, having orientation, suppose this is a 5 dash, this is a 3 dash. Especially at the time of transcription, the mRNA are formed, okay, and this mRNA having end of 5 dash to 3 dash, initial end having initiation codon AUG, and later end having, suppose this is a later end having termination codon, especially termination codon are formed up to from this position to this position. Synthesis of protein is must. Here some intron as well as exon in form inside the mRNA, but introns is removed by splicing technique, as spliceosome formation. The initial end of the mRNA gets capped with the 7-methylguanosine. What is a 7-methylguanosine? Especially this help in the capping of anterior region. The posterior region of the mRNA is also capped with the sequence of polyadenylate sequence. They help in the capping of the mRNA. Here no any unnecessary base pairs that joined with the mRNA. That's why all the mRNA functions as a protein formation by process of translation. Okay, so this is overall detail about the messenger RNA. Once again I want to repeat, thus it is a short DNA strand, messenger RNA, discovered by F. Jacob and J. Monod. 3 to 5% of the total cellular RNA. It is a large length having 900 to 1500 base pair. Okay. Now students, is a count 3 to 5% of the total cellular RNA, length 900 to 1500 base pair. This is a type mRNA. This is all are exons, because intron is removed from this position at the time of discussion of transcription, and central logma we will discuss there. I will discuss there. Student, this is a 7-methylguanosine. It is form capping to the mRNA, and polyadenylate sequence help in the formation of terminal end. That's why no unusual bases are joined from this position. Now, after messenger RNA, another is a smallest RNA is called transfer RNA. Transfer RNA is a very complex and folded structure, And this transfer RNA generally, now you can see this transfer RNA generally carry one by one amino acid at the site of protein synthesis. At the site of protein synthesis, they loaded comes carry with the loaded amino acids site of protein synthesis. That's why the protein synthesis process will complete. Now what mechanism, what way by which the loading of mRNA chain takes place? Okay, now we can see the diagram of RNA viruses, especially tRNA. Now this is a 5 dash 3 dash at 3 dash in ACC codons that are present in the form of codons that are remain open. It is a carrier end of amino acid. I think spelling is mistake in case of carrier, sorry, not this is good, carrier of amino acids. Now this is a strand is called T psi C strand. T psi C strand, this is a anticodon site. It is specially recognize the coding sequences, codings triplet based sequence of mRNA. This generally anticodons are help in the recognized. Now sorry, not T psi C, this is also called a DHU loop. This is also known as a dihydrouridine strands. This is also called T psi C loop and strand. Student, if you see the structure of this tRNA, the leaf like they appear like a structure of clover leaf model of mRNA. You can see, sorry, tRNA, clover leaf model of tRNA. This all about the clover leaf models of tRNA. Now this is anticodon and this is also called variable arm. This is a variable arm. Now students, this diagram you can compare and analysis must be given by you students. Now this is a clover leaf model of tRNA. This is a DHU loop and this is a DHU strand. DHU loop and strand. Simultaneous prepare students. DHU loop and strand. Anticodon loop and anticodon strand. And here T psi C loop as well as T psi C strand. This all about the part of the what? All about the part of the transfer RNA. Okay, the transfer RNA has many varieties. Each varieties carry specific amino acid. Especially suppose cell having 20 type of amino acid, and all amino acid is going to participate in synthesis of proteins on mRNA chain with the help of mechanism called translation. In that case, that tRNA carry amino acid, but not a single tRNA carry, many tRNA founds, and each tRNA are able to carry different amino acids, and that amino acids are rejoined to form a protein chain. Now students, then the RNA form about 15% of the total cellular RNA. 15% of total cellular RNA. After ribosomal RNA, its percentage maximum. After ribosomal RNA is its percentage maximum. It is called total cellular RNA. Total cellular RNA. Now, a tRNA molecule was proposed by Hawley, Robert Hawley, R.W. Hawley. He is proposed the model of tRNA. Okay, it is appearance is like clover leaf like. Okay, clover leaf like. Now, it is having self-folding. In some places RNA gets folded as like DNA. Okay, in some places RNA is folded as like DNA, but in some places DNA gets remain uncoiled, and this is a uncoiling strands, generally the clover leaf model of the tRNA. This is an uncoiled strand. Now, the after this tRNA having amino acid not above 100, having all tRNA having amino acid only of about 70 to 80 amino acid in a single tRNA. Amino acid not nucleotides. Nucleotide present in the tRNA. Now, this is the amino acid binding site, and this is the anticodon site. These sites especially remain attached with the coding sequences. Remain attached with the attached with the coding sequences of mRNA, but this one is attached with the protein that are random inside the cytoplasm. Okay, students. Now, so what is the basic difference between mRNA as well as tRNA, and how the ribosomal RNA different from this? Ribosomal amount is maximum. I am not going to explain here ribosomal RNA, but it having maximum source of maximum amount that present inside the single cell. It is present, ribosomal RNA present in the form of ribosomes, especially 70S and 80S ribosome. 70S ribosome that present in case of prokaryote, 80S ribosome present in case of eukaryote. Now, students, the next in next class we will learn about the central dogma about transcription translation, as well as another topic is known as ribosomal RNA. Thank you, students.